In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can download tinytask for your PC or your laptop. I'm going to show you the simple way you can get this done. In order to get that done, let's open our web browser, and on the address bar, go ahead and type tinytask. And the moment you hit on that, you get this search result. Click on this first one. Now this takes us to the page of tinytask. We are using the page of tinytask so that we'll get the latest version of it. Of course, on this very page, if you scroll down, you can see different versions of it. You can see tinytask 1.77, you can see 1.73, and all the rest. So we just need to go over to this download area, and then let's hit on this standard on, and then the moment we hit on that, it will be downloaded straight to our laptop. And then here you are going to click on it, and then once we click on it, we are going to follow the prompt, and then with the prompt we are going to install it. Go ahead and run it. Now, of course, accept the license term agreement, click on install. This will immediately be installed in your PC. This will ask you whether you want to register it. And so this is exactly how you can install tinytask in your laptop or your PC. Thank you.